Hello, thank you for taking the time to watch this video series. This video series focuses on how to use the NABCO NetHT software to program NABCO products. This first video describes the method used to install the NetHT software on a newer Android device. Because you must obtain the NetHT software from NABCO, you will not find it on the Google Play Store. Therefore, you will need to set your phone to allow it to install software from unknown sources. This option is turned off by default on Android. On older versions of Android, your screen might look like this. On newer versions of Android, the procedure might look different. In any case, it will be necessary to toggle on the setting that allows it to install software from unknown sources. Please note, for security purposes, this option should be turned back off once installation of the NetHT software is complete. To begin, you will need to navigate to the NABCO website as shown here. Click on the three bars at the top right of the screen. This will display a list on a gray background. Scroll down and click on My NABCO. This will take you to a screen where you can log in, or by simply scrolling down further, you can request access. If you do not yet have a NABCO online account, you will need to first request one. Once you get access, simply log in as shown here. Once you are logged in, you will be taken to a screen which serves as a launching point for website resources. At the bottom of this screen is the link to take you to the NetHT webpage. Follow this link, then scroll down to the link that says Step 2, Download the Net Handy Terminal Android only. Click on this link to download the software. You will be presented with a warning that says, this type of file can harm your device. Do you wish to keep netht.apk anyway? Choose OK. Now we are presented with the option to open the software. Let's go ahead and open it. Immediately, you will get a warning that says, for security, your phone is not allowed to install unknown apps from this source. Click on Settings to change this. Then click Allow from this source. Next, you will see a dialog box that says, do you wish to install this application? Click Install. Your phone will now install the NetHT software. Click Open once the installation is complete. Once the application opens, you will be presented with a screen that is titled Selection of Common Key ID. Since this software is licensed for NABCO products that are sold around the world, we will need to enable it for North America. To do this, simply select the number 15 from the drop-down list as shown here. Then click on the Next button at the bottom of the screen. This screen will present you with the authentication ID of the software. You will need to send this number to NABCO to get your software license. So let's go ahead and tap on this number to copy it to your phone's internal clipboard. Now, switch back to your internet browser to access the NABCO Entrances website again. Go back to the NetHT page and then click on Step 3 as shown here. You will need to fill in the following information: your first and last name, your work email address, the phone number of the device you are registering, and your company name. Next, you will need your device make and model. To find this, click on Settings, then go to System, and then go to About Phone. Your Android device serial number will also be required. To find your serial number, simply tap *#06# on your phone's keyboard. A screen will pop up to show you the serial number at the bottom of the page. Or you can go into Settings and then click on System and navigate to About Phone. Then lastly, the authentication ID that you copied from the NetHT software should be pasted into this box. Once you are done, click the Submit button to send this to NABCO. NABCO will then process your request, and if approved, email a license number back to you that you will paste into the blank license field shown on this screen. It will take about 2 to 3 business days to process the new license number. For more information, Please see the next NetHT video on licensing and learning the basics of your new software. That's all for now. Thanks for watching.